What's good, everybody? It's Bonsey the engineer here at Runnitbak Studios. We're gonna do a quick video walkthrough on noise reduction. If you ever needed any audio cleaned up, whether it be from a podcast, home videos, any type of outside filming, this is a very powerful tool that comes with Adobe Audition. So I have this sound clip here to use as an example. It's a recording of a kid reading in front of a classroom. The reason why I'm using it is because there's background noise. This is a great example to use to show how we can eliminate or lessen the background noise. Take a look at this waveform right here. You see where it starts to get large? This is the actual voice content that we want to keep. And then you see kind of right here where it gets small again. This is the background noise. You have background noise in the beginning, throughout, and on the end. We want to zoom in on the background noise, identify these frequencies. We want to capture, and then we want to remove those frequencies throughout this clip. That's generally how the noise reduction works. So first, let's take a listen.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Okay, so you definitely hear the noise in the background. It sounds like we have some static from the microphone. We have maybe an air conditioning running in the background, maybe some traffic. If we can, we want to clean this audio up a bit, okay? So let's do it. First thing we're gonna do is pull up our noise reduction. Then the next thing we have to do is capture the noise print, okay? So that means we have to select an area of just noise that we want to remove, okay? And then we capture those frequencies. Then we want to select entire file. And then down here we have gliders that let you control how much reduction you want to apply. So let's take a listen.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
And there you go. As you can hear, we cleaned up the audio rather nicely. And you can see the waveforms after the noise reduction effect is applied. There's still a little bit of noise here in the background, but it's not nearly as big, so that means it's not nearly as loud. The background noise is barely even noticeable, and the boy's voice is much more clearer and stands out a lot more. Overall, this audio sounds much better. This is a service offered at Runnitbak Studios, or if you just want to know how to do it yourself, that's cool too. For more helpful tips on audio editing, please follow me on Instagram. Also, you'll want to subscribe to my YouTube page. There's plenty of helpful audio editing videos on there as well. I really appreciate you guys' support. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.